for Ari Queen, and now we are moving to go to our first dive of the day, and I guess after 30 minutes we'll have the briefing.
Northern west corner, there will be even a nice hole like the shape of a heart, very romantic. If you want to take photo or video from there, that is exactly on the top reef, so there is chance to go through these heart-shaped holes if you want. Really beautiful, and that's why I suggest to leave at least 10 minutes of your dive time to the top reef, because it's a real beautiful coral garden, hard coral, that it worth to give a look.